my channel. I hope you all are safe and doing well. So this video is going to be part 3 of finding Shein-like styles or similar Shein clothes on Indian brands or websites. You guys really loved the previous 2 parts, so here I am making a part 3 for you guys. Also in the previous 2 parts, I talked only about Ajio, as in I showed product-wise alternatives from different brands on Ajio. But in this video, in this part specifically, I'm going to focus on few brands which caught my attention and where you can definitely find Shein alternatives. Actually, I will show you guys 2-3 alternatives from each brand. Now some brands are available on Myntra, whereas some are available on Ajio. Also, I have a super cool giveaway for you guys wherein one of you can win an Amazon voucher worth ₹1000. So stay tuned for the details, and without any more bug, let's just get started with today's video. Alright, so I'm going to be talking about my favorite brands which are available on Myntra. The first one has to be Sassafras. Now I love the fresh styles that this brand has, specifically the prints and the minor details. Like, I have been eyeing on Sassafras products even before Shein got banned. So the first dress that I saw on Shein looks like this. I love the pleated design. So the similar alternative that I could find from Sassafras looks like this. I think this one is more stylish. Also, it has this, off-shoulder sleeves, whereas the Shein one has normal sleeves. But I feel that Sassafras wali looks more stylish, definitely. Next up, I saw this top on Shein. It's a really nice striped, strappy peplum top. Also has this bow design in the front. So the similar one that I could find on Sassafras looks like this. It's again a really nice strappy top, but नीचे से ये थोड़ा pleated है instead of a regular peplum. You guys can clearly see how affordable Sassafras clothes are as compared to Shein. And on top of that, you can get the products और भी ज़्यादा सस्ते if you shop through Cashkaro on Myntra or Ajio or any other brand for that matter. So it's gonna be a win-win situation. So Cashkaro जो है वो इंडिया की सबसे ज़्यादा cashback देने वाली website है, and there are more than 1500 retailers listed on Cashkaro like Myntra, Flipkart, Ajio, Mamaearth, Amazon, basically all the main shopping websites we usually shop online from. So guys, if you shop from any website through Cashkaro, then Cashkaro would give you a guaranteed cashback over and above any discount codes, any coupon codes or any existing offers. And you can also, transfer the Cashkaro cashback directly into your bank account. So using Cashkaro is super simple. I'll tell you in a while, but for now, let's just move on to my second favorite brand, which I absolutely love. Like, I'm dying to get clothes from this brand, and it's called Berry Lush. I got to know about this brand from Ishita's video. She's a fellow YouTuber, and the other day she posted this Berry Lush haul on her channel. So if you guys are interested to watch that, I will surely leave a link to her video in the description box below. So I feel कि Berry Lush के जो products हैं ना, वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा fresh है. They are trendy and they definitely resemble Shein clothes. Like, the patterns and the prints are so similar. I actually ended up finding a lot of similar alternatives, but the best ones I'm just gonna talk about quickly. So the first dress that I saw on Shein looks like this. It's a really nice cami dress, has this sunflower print all over, and the exact similar one that I saw on Berry Lush looks like this. And guys, this is definitely cheaper than Shein one. Next dress that I saw on Shein looks like this. Again, I have this dress. It's a really nice wrap dress of a red color, has this ruffle detailing all over. I saw almost similar one on Berry Lush and it looks like this. Again, the color, the front detailing, the wrap thing, everything is same. And of course, look at the prices, dude. So affordable, right? So that's all for Berry Lush, and I'm just gonna quickly talk about last favorite brand on Myntra, which is called Dressberry. Now let me be very honest with you guys, मुझे Dressberry पे tops वगैरह उतने खास नहीं लगे, but oh my god, the dresses are so cute and मुझे काफी dresses similar दिखी Shein जैसी. So the first dress that I saw on Shein looks like this. It's a really nice lace detailing वाला dress. थोड़ा सा it's like a fitted dress, but the best alternative that I could find on Dressberry looks like this. I love this peachy sort of a color, so pretty. But the only difference is कि it's like a loose fitting वाली dress, but I feel अगर आप एक सामने belt लगा लोगे ना, एक waist belt to cinch in your waist, it would give you the same fit like the Shein dress. And you guys can see the price difference also. The Dressberry one is definitely much more affordable. It's for 764 rupees after discount. But अगर आप cash करोगे through shopping करोगे तो आपको 764 से भी ज़्यादा सस्ती ये dress मिल जाएगी, which is so good. Like I said कि Cashkaro आपको guaranteed cashback देता है over and above any discounts. discounts. So although the Dressberry dress is on a discount, you would still receive the cashback. And that's all for Myntra. Now let's move on to Ajio. But before that, let me quickly tell you guys that right now Cashkaro is giving flat 10% cashback on Ajio, and on Myntra it's up to 6% cashback plus a bonus cashback of 99 rupees if you shop for more than 2000 rupees. If you love shopping online just like me, then I feel you should definitely start using Cashkaro right away, because Cashkaro gives us real cash that can be transferred to your bank account, or it can be converted into Amazon vouchers. Just in case you guys would like to buy anything from this video, I would make sure to leave all the product links in the description box below, and you'll be able to buy them with extra cashback through Cashkaro. Remember that Cashkaro will take you to the website of Ajio or Myntra in your browser, and from there you have to shop. So it's like an additional step that you have to take, and trust me guys, it's pretty simple also. You just have to click on any product link in the description box, tap on the orange button, then you would have to sign up on Cashkaro, and then click on the orange button, and you will be redirected to the specific product link on Ajio or Myntra and shop like you normally do. Once you're done shopping, just go to the My Earning section on Cashkaro to see how much cashback you have earned. And like I told you guys earlier, that this cashback can be transferred to your bank account or can be converted into Amazon vouchers. So it's that easy. And now I'll just quickly tell you guys about the giveaway also, because I know you guys are pretty excited. So I will be giving away one Amazon gift voucher worth ₹1000 to one of you guys. And the rules are pretty simple. You just have to like this video. Second rule is just sign up on Cashkaro and do any small transaction like a recharge, or maybe buy any items, any similar items that I'm showing in the video. Basically Cashkaro पे जितनी भी websites listed हैं, आप उन websites में से किसी भी website पे कोई भी transaction कर सकते हो. But first you would obviously have to sign up on Cashkaro from the links in the description box. And the third and the final rule is that you would have to tell me in the comments कि what would you buy with the voucher if you win this giveaway. Also brownie points for those people who would send me a screenshot on my Instagram of a successful transaction using Cashkaro. So I would mention everything in the description box below. And now let's just quickly move forward. So the very first brand that I absolutely love on Ajio is called Rio. Oh my god, the styles are so good you guys, especially the dresses and the t-shirts. So on Shein I saw this really nice floral dress. I really like the print, और मुझे Rio में जो एकदम similar alternative दिखा, looks like this. Just the neckline is different guys, but you guys can see the color, the print, the style, everything is same. And look at the price difference guys. Rio वाली ड्रेस is just for 400 rupees, और Cashkaro से शॉपिंग करने के बाद आपको और भी ज्यादा सस्ती पड़ेगी. So ये दोनों टी शर्ट्स मैंने शीन पे देखे थे. So ग्राफिक प्रिंट टी शर्ट्स मुझे Rio पे काफी अच्छी वैरायटी में दिखे, and the alternatives look something like this. You guys can see कि color and everything, the vibe is so similar to the Shein t-shirts. Rio वाली t-shirts are literally half the price of Shein t-shirts. And now my next favorite brand on Ajio is called Trends. I feel कि Trends पे भी इतने अच्छे fashionable pieces है ना guys, like literally so stylish. So the very first top that I saw on Shein looks like this. I really like this style first of all. मतलब पूरे ऐसे ruffle detailing है, then it's like a peplum thing at the bottom. So इससे मिलता जुलता टॉप जो मुझे ट्रेंड्स पे दिखा Ajio पे looks like this. You guys can see कि both of the tops are so stylish और एक दूसरे के टक्कर के टॉप्स हैं literally. So I feel the only difference is कि जो शीन वाला टॉप है ना, उस पे सारी लेस डिटेलिंग दी हुई है, whereas जो ट्रेंड्स वाला टॉप है उस पे सारी ओवरऑल ऐसे स्किफी डिटेलिंग दी हुई है. बट आई फील कि दोनों के वाइब काफी हद तक सिमिलर है. एंड द नेक्स्ट टॉप और द ब्लाउज दैट आई सॉ ऑन शीन लुक्स लाइक दिस. आई फील इस टाइप के ब्लाउजेस या फिर टॉप्स काफी ज्यादा चले थे शीन पे एक टाइम पे. आई एम जस्ट गोना इंक्लूड वन मोर ओवर हियर. सो द सिमिलर वन दैट आई सॉ ऑन ट्रेंड्स लुक लाइक दिस. So stylish, right? Especially the choker detailing and the ruffle on the mesh sleeves itself. So you should definitely check out Trends on Ajio. And of course you can definitely shop from Cashkaro to save massive amounts of money on every online shopping of yours. So if you want to shop from Ajio or Myntra or any other retailer, just click on the first link in the description box and make your account on Cashkaro. When you sign up on Cashkaro with the link in the description box, you instantly get ₹25 bonus. Once you make your account, just tap on your favorite icon or search any website, like I'm searching for Myntra. Then click on the orange button and tap on visit retailer. This will take you to Myntra's website. Select whatever you want to buy, add the products to your cart and do the transaction normally. You can even use any coupon code and also you can select the cash on delivery option. Now order place करने के बाद अगर आप Cashkaro के My Earning section पे जाके देखोगे तो वहाँ पे cashback amount reflect हो रहा होगा उस टाइम तो कैशबैक अमाउंट पेंडिंग शो करेगा, बट विद इन फ्यू डेज योर कैशबैक विल गेट कंफर्म्ड एंड वंस योर कैशबैक अमाउंट रीचेज ₹250, you can directly transfer it to your bank account or you can convert it into Amazon vouchers. Now the last brand that I adore on Ajio is called Oxo Loxo. इस ब्रांड में भी मुझे काफी सारे स्टाइल्स जो है ना वो शीन से सिमिलर दिखे, स्पेशली द बॉटम वेयर, क्योंकि शीन के बॉटम वेयर्स आर सो नाइस. Used to be so nice, अब तो नहीं रहा शीन. I even got one trouser for myself from Oxo Loxo. Stay tuned for the Ajio haul. तो शीन पे मुझे ये trousers दिखे. These are pleated trousers. The color is so pretty. It also has a belt. So Oxo Loxo पे I saw the same color trousers. It looks like this. Has the same belt. Just the fit is different. But I feel कि जो Oxo Loxo वाले trousers हैं उनका fit is much more airy and comfortable. Guys जो मैंने दिखाया अभी तो ये सिर्फ ट्रेलर है. Trust me. आपको seriously इतने सारे styles देखने को मिलेंगे ना Oxo Loxo पे जो definitely शीन के bottom wear को resemble करता है. Now as I was telling कि मुझे काफी similar styles top में भी दिखे. So शीन पे जो मैंने ये वाला blouse देखा था ना, I loved the overall style. I'm not talking about the pattern or the print or the color. Just look at the style, so feminine and like it looks so pretty to me. So the similar one that I saw on Oxo Loxo looks like this. I know the color is different and the pattern is different. It's a solid blue colored one, but the style is exactly the same. And look at the price difference also, guys. Like अभी तक मैंने जितनी भी चीजें आपको दिखाई हैं, all of these things are definitely much more affordable than Shein. और जैसे कि मैं आपको वीडियो के बीच में बता रही थी कि आप कैश करोगे थ्रू शॉपिंग करोगे तो आपको और भी ज्यादा सस्ते पड़ेंगे ये सारे कपड़े. सो आई फील यू शुड डेफिनेटली साइन अप ऑन कैश करो राइट अवे एंड टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ द अमेजिंग कैशबैक ऑफर्स. और अगर आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिए हुए लिंक के थ्रू अपना कैश करो पे अकाउंट बनाते हो, so you would get ₹25 as a sign up reward, and I would recommend you guys to do at least one transaction using cash karo, because I'm sure we all love saving extra money when it comes to online shopping, and cash karo actually helps you to do that. It's a very simple one additional step that would give you free cashback. You just have to shop via Cash Karo and you will end up saving a lot of money, trust me. So that's all for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Lastly, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. I would leave all the details in the description box. And if you like this video, then please make sure that you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And yes, I shall see you next time. Till then, you all please stay safe, stay positive, and be kind to yourself and others. Bye-bye.